Farmer Claire? Farmer Madison? What are you doing here at the Goose?
Oh, it's good to see you, Farmer Claire, but honestly, I'm a little nervous because I've never been grocery shopping before.
Well, that's okay because I do this all the time. Let me show you.
Okay, thanks.
All right, welcome. Did you bring a list today?
Actually, I forgot my list.
That's okay. I brought mine.
Great. Okay, where do we start?
Well, I need to pick up some vegetables, so let's go ahead and take a look at our map.
A good rule of thumb is to focus on the food that is on the outside edge of the store because those foods tend to be less processed and more nutritious. Studies show that in buffet lines, people tend to take more of whatever food they encounter first. Since fresh fruits and vegetables are really good for us, it's best to start grocery shopping in the produce section. In our next video, we'll look more in depth in this section. Buying dry goods such as rice, beans, nuts, and oats in the bulk food section can save you money, and it can help reduce the amount of plastic that you're using in packaging.
Where are we going next, Farmer Claire?
Dairy.
As a shopper, your seemingly small choices can have a very large impact on your community. Whenever possible, look for brands that come from a local Whidbey Island source or a Washington farmer. Fancy cheeses imported from all corners of the world can be really great for dinner parties, but don't forget about some of our awesome local selections from local farmers as well. If you think all of the different labels in the meat section are a bit confusing, you're not alone. Your best bet is to consult the expert behind the counter. Try asking these friendly folks, what are they having for dinner? What's fresh right now? And what's a good deal?
Farmer Claire, here we are in the frozen aisle and I see some produce. What do you have to say about that?
Well, buying fresh produce is always the best option, but if we can't, sometimes frozen produce is a great alternative. It's better than getting canned vegetables because the freezing process locks in those same nutrients that fresh produce has, so you're still going to get what you need from the frozen vegetables.
Try to limit items such as chips, cookies, ramen, candy, although everybody deserves a little bit of a treat sometimes.
That was a lot of fun. I'm looking forward to learning more about the produce section since I'm a farmer and all.
Well, you're in luck because next time we come to the store, we're going to learn even more about the produce.
How do you pick a good melon? Where do bananas come from? Is buying organic really worth it? This and more in our next episode. See you next time.